what we're doing today is dyeing my wig. The stuff here, I have Ion Color Brilliance. I have them in Radiant Orchid and also lavender. So what I'm going for is like a lavender to dark purple ombre. I have some gloves, a bowl for the dye, some conditioner to mix with it, and then another bowl and a comb for the dye. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it popping. So what I've done so far is I put pretty much all the dye out. I'm gonna put two tubes in first. Again, this is just lavender, and then I put in a little bit of conditioner as well. Now that I'm pretty much done with the lavender, you guys can see she's looking pretty cute. Okay, so I finished up the dyeing portion, then I just washed it out. So now this is what we're working with. This is what we're working with. It's a really nice ombre.